Hello everyone, welcome back to the Learners Academy. I'm Dr. Rishi and today we are diving into the vast and intriguing world of vocabulary. Get ready to expand your linguistic horizons as we uncover some unique words that are sure to leave you fascinated. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our linguistic adventures. Now, let's get started. Our first word is Dendrophile. If you have a deep appreciation for trees, you might just be one yourself. A Dendrophile is someone who loves trees, and there's something magical about the way they connect with the beauty of nature. Next up, we have Orophile. This word takes us to the mountains. An Orophile is someone who is passionate about mountains, finding inspiration and joy in their majestic peaks and heart-taking landscapes. Are you an Orophile? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's journey to the seas with Thalassophile. If you find solace in the sound of waves, the scent of salt in the air, and the vastness of ocean, congratulations, you might be a Thalassophile. Discover the beauty that lies beneath the waves and the serenity of the sea. Moving on, we have Limnophile. Limnophiles are individuals who are drawn to freshwater lakes. This word captures the essence of those who cherish the tranquility of a lake. Let's shift our gaze to the night sky with Selenophile. If you find yourself mesmerized by the moon, its phases, and the celestial dance it performs, you're likely a Selenophile. The moon has captivated poets and dreamers for centuries, and being a Selenophile is like having a personal connection to the cosmos. Are you someone who comes alive when the sun sets? Then you might be a Nyctophile. This term refers to those who love the night, finding comfort and inspiration in the darkness. From starry skies to city lights, Nyctophiles appreciate the world when it's bathed in moonlight. The last but not the least, and my favorite, is Astrophile. If you're passionate about the universe, the stars, and everything beyond our planet, you're an Astrophile. Dive into the wonders of space, explore galaxies, and let your fascination with the cosmos soar to new heights. And there you have it, a journey through some extraordinary words that describe our connection with nature. Which of these words resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this linguistic exploration, give us a thumbs up and share with your fellow word enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more linguistic adventures. Until the next time, keep exploring the riches of language. This is Dr. Rishi signing off from the Learners Academy.